When you think of a school for your child, what do you expect? Good education? But what if it starts under the lap of nature? Today we are taking you to a unique school, Sholai, situated in Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu. Namaskar, I am your host Sugandha and you're watching Lokmatrajasthan. Perched amid Kodaikanal's verdant hills, Sholai School, also known as CLOAAT, offers an education like no other. Rooted in organic farming, powered by renewables and guided by hands-on learning. Students here grow their own food, build their own classrooms and forge a deep, sustainable connection with the nature world around them. Sholai School is a distinctive eco-educational venture nestled 18 kilometers from Kodaikanal in Tamil Nadu's Palani Hills. Founded by British anthropologist Brian Jenkins in 1989 and inspired by philosopher J. Krishnamurti, the school spans a 70-acre campus, 35 and serves around 60 students aged roughly 7 to 20 from across India and beyond. What sets Sholai apart? Its unwavering commitment to sustainability. The school is completely independent on municipal water and power. Stream wells and rainwater harvesting meet its water needs, while energy comes from photovoltaic panels, a micro hydro turbine, and multiple biogas plants, earning it a reputation as possibly India's only carbon-negative school. Cooking is done entirely through biogas, and students enjoy meals made from their own organic produce, including vegetables, dairy, cheese, coffee, pepper, and more, some of which is even exported overseas. Sholai's curriculum blends academics with ecological immersion. While students follow the Cambridge and A-level syllabus, they also engage deeply in organic farming, carpentry, engineering, animal husbandry, and innovative projects, like building a wooden bridge, creating alert systems for wildlife, and crafting furniture from on-site grown timber. Class structure is informal. Age group learns together, breaking down traditional hierarchies. Courses spans English, science, environmental studies, theatres, yoga, and sports with no emphasis on exams, awards, or punishment. This pedagogical model nurtures self-awareness, creativity, and an intrinsic love for learning. Sholai additionally plays a positive ecological role for its surrounding communities. It employs local families, offers homeopathic care, educates villagers on eco-friendly farming, and advocates against forest fires, demonstrating how education can foster both individual growth and environmental stewardship. Sholai School stands as a beacon of environmentally conscious education, harmonizing academic rigor with hand-on ecological practice. Through sustainable infrastructure, community engagement, and experiential learning, it nurtures thoughtful, compassionate citizens prepared for our planet's future. A rare gem where the classroom truly extends into the forest and beyond. For more such updates and knowledge, keep watching Lokmat Rajasthan.